Hey everyone, it's the Airwall here, and today I'm super excited to show you a free video editing software that's perfect for beginners. It's called MiniTool MovieMaker. If you're just starting out on YouTube, TikTok, or just want to edit your videos without the headache, this might be exactly what you need. So let's jump right in. MiniTool MovieMaker is a free and beginner-friendly video editing tool made for people who want a clean, simple editing experience. No complicated features, no need to be a pro editor. You can trim, cut, add music, transitions, text, and export your videos in HD, all in just a few clicks. And it runs super smooth even on low-spec PCs. Let me show you how it works. And now, once you have done the installation, when you open up the program, you'll see a simple and clean interface. So I'm gonna click on New Project, and as you can see, we have media, we have audio, text, transitions, effects, filters, elements, and motion. So if I want to import media file, just click on that. And from your desktop or documents or wherever, you can import videos or photos or even music. As you can see, once you import the videos, you can click and drag to the timeline easy, or you can click the plus button as you can see here, and the video will be added automatically to the timeline. Now let's go to the timeline. This is where the magic happens. You can drag your clips in order, cut out what you don't need, and rearrange everything easily. You also get multiple tracks for video, music, and text, which is super helpful. Now time to make it look good. MiniTool MovieMaker has built-in transitions, animated titles, filters, and cool effects. You can even animate text or use stylish templates for intros or outros, perfect for YouTube or vlogs. You can simply click on the button to download the effects and drag and click on the plus button. You want to select the clip that you want to add the effect to it, so just select the clip from here and click on the plus button, and as you can see, the effect has been added, you can see, and you have a lot of transitions in here that you can try by yourself. As you can see, moving to effects section, which has many effects as well that you can use simply in your clips or photos in the timeline. So I'm gonna use one of these. Just click on download button and select the clip that you want to add the effect to, and click on the plus button. As you can see here, the effect has been added. I'm going to try another one. Now let's go to the text section. If I click on text, as you can see, I have many text templates here and style that are very cool. So I'm gonna use one of these, so like this one for example. Just click on plus. As you can see, your text here, and here in the right section, you can adjust or modify your text. Just type whatever you want in here, and you can change the font from here and the size, and as you can see, the color and the opacity. And here is a reset button if you miss around something. Just click on reset and the text will be reset to its origin. Now let's talk about music and audio. If you want background music, okay, no problem. You can import your own or use their royalty-free audio. Okay, if you go to audio from here, you can see a lot of tracks and beats right there. Just click on plus and the music will be added to the timeline. As you can see, if I play, we can hear the music, or you can add your own music. Just go to media and click import, and from here you can add your own music, and you can click and drag and put it in the timeline. As you can see, the music has been added. Now let's move to the filters section. We have here a lot of filters that are very awesome and looking cool that you can use in your clips. So I'm gonna try this first. As you can see, the filter is working. Moving next to elements. If I click on elements, I can see some elements that are very helpful, especially for YouTubers or vloggers or whatever. If you are a content creator, you will love these elements. It can help you to easily edit your videos. And for example, we have the subscribe button here and like button, and you can simply just click on plus, and as you can see, it will be added. So speaking of subscribe and like, please like the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, let's keep going. We have more elements here that you can discover by yourself. Actually very awesome. I love these elements. And the last section, which is motion. If I go to motion, we have zoom in center, and we have pan down, we have zoom out center, and zoom in bottom. These are motions that can be creative if you use them in your videos, right? It gives your videos a professional look, let's say. And if you want to use one of them, just click on plus button and you can see. And once you're done editing, click on export right there, choose your resolution and the frame rate. From here you can choose to 60 from frame rate FPS, and the format you can see here MP4, MOV, but I do recommend you to use MP4 for videos. You can choose a name, whatever name you want to type in here, and your final video is ready. And once you've done that, just click on export button, and that's it, guys. So if you're just getting into video editing or want a smooth no fuse editor, MiniTool MovieMaker is 100% worth trying. And yep, it's free download. You'll find the download link right below in this video before the show more button. Also check out MiniTool's official YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates. Link is also in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day.